Dana Scully here, FBI investigator. I've got Dana Scully hair today, and I'm not mad about it. I actually like it quite a bit. Anyway, today I have a makeup tutorial using the Jackie Aina Palette, because I mean, how could I not? It's such a absolutely stunning, amazing, beautiful palette that I have to use it for the rest of my life. I decided to go in with the warm, ready, vibrant colors and these beautiful goldy colors, and just they're so good. The shade right here, Zam. It is such a good color. It's on the center of my lids. It's like glittery golden goodness. I cannot even with it. And the shade Wigglies is just, God, it's so good. Jackie, you did so good on that palette. Anyway, if you want to see how I got this look and follow me step by step, just keep on watching. But before you do, go ahead and like and subscribe, and just comment some random nonsense down below. I don't know. Just like, subscribe, and comment down below. And without further ado, let's get into this makeup look. Okay, we're doing an up close tutorial today. It's been a while since we've done one of these, huh? We're gonna be using the Jackie Aina palette. Jackie. I'm dancing, but you can't really see me do it. Yeah, I want to do something very super glam, fall-ish inspired. Like, do I even need to say that I'm doing something super glam? We know I'm doing something glam. It's just what I do. I really want to do something using the shade Wigglies and Zam, Soleil, all those nice pretty warm shades on the end, and edges, and ginger, I think. I don't know. We're gonna use a lot of shades. So I'm gonna go with the shade ginger first. Just very lightly. There's not much product on my brush, and I'm going to just start running it through the transition here. Like, I barely touched the pan. I'm gonna take this and kind of blend up and out. So these shades just blend like a absolute dream. Oh my gosh. Okay, and next out, I just hit my elbow. Next, I'm gonna take edges and kind of focus out a little bit lower into the crease. God, that was my funny bone. Ooh. Just gonna bring this a little bit closer, lower down, and more focused. Edges kind of merge into ginger. I'm probably gonna go back in with this once I've done my eye, just to make sure I've got everything, you know, how I want it. A little bit more edges, just really kind of build that up. Get the potential out of it, because it is such a vibrant color, and I just blended it to hell and back. So I'm gonna kind of make sure some of that vibrancy is still in there. Alright, now I'm gonna take a little bit of ginger, just this outer part. Just kind of as a haze around edges. As Jackie says, just a teensy. I think now I'm going to take a little bit of credit just on this outer portion and real tucked right into the crease. I'm just going to take it right into here. Just for a little bit elongated cat eye shape and some depth. I'm gonna blend it up and out. Just let that flow into edges. Alright, on a flat synthetic brush like this is the Sony Kashik. I'm gonna take Wigglies. I'm gonna start to pat it on this outer part right here. That is a pretty color, dude. I'm gonna take my finger and just gonna really pull it up. Alright, and I'm gonna do that on the inner corner. The inner portion, kind of do like a halo shape. I don't often do this shape because I don't think it's the most flattering on me, but I think it can look pretty cool. And packing that on, getting the pigmentation built up because I don't want to use it wet. I'm just gonna going in with it dry. It has like a nice shift to it. I don't know if that's reading on camera, but in person it has like a golden shift in there that is just gorgeous. This is probably one of the best metallic reds that I've seen because it has that warmth in it. It's not so much a cranberry. So a lot of times when you see a metallic red, it's very ruby, kind of pinky or cool undertone. This one's very fiery, like a blood red. On the center of the lid, in the blank spot, I'm going to take Zam. Yeah. We're gonna pack this on the center of the lid. Whoa. Did I just do it like a Joey Lawrence? Whoa. Yeah, I did. Blossom, anyone? Am I that old? Who remembers the Lawrence brothers? Like that being a thing. Okay, so I'm gonna take that on my finger. This is like almost a glitter. Wow. Holy shit, that's beautiful. Damn. Take a packer brush here. Go back into Wigglies a little bit and just kind of make sure all that's blended. And they're flowing into one another nicely. Would you look at that? Alright, now I'm going to take a little bit of credit here on this outer portion just to get that depth and kind of come around. I'm gonna fake that new crease-ish type of look. And take a little bit edges and just blend a bit right here. Okay, so I went off camera and did the other eye, but while I was doing that, I ended up wetting my brush just a little bit with some setting spray and then packing on Zam and Wigglies, and oh my god. Look at this metallic goodness that happened. Next, I think I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeliner. I'm gonna take a liquid eyeliner here. This is just a dark brown one from good old Wet n Wild. And I'm gonna take it along the lash line. I'm not gonna do a wing, I don't think. I don't know, we'll see what happens while I'm doing this. Just gonna take a touch of credit and just put it right here. Pack it on. Kind of blend it with the wing. I always like to do this after I do my wing. Just gonna touch up this outer part. Make sure I'm getting a nice lift on the outer corner. Let's do the lower lash line. See, I kind of cleaned up this outer part, just sharpened it up, tied up the wing. Just little stuff like that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line. What I want to do first though is go in with, take a little bit of concealer just right under here, just as a kind of a primer, and I feel like, I don't know, it's making my under eye eyeshadow perform a lot better if I put a little bit of concealer under there. So I'm gonna take a little bit of the CoverGirl Undercover Concealer. That's what I've also used to prime my eyes, by the way, and I had set them down with translucent powder. I just totally forgot to mention that because for some reason I'm just like, out of it this week. Just gonna run a little bit of this under here. Just a flat brush. Concealer brush. First I think I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna take like a smudge brush first, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and start with edges. I'm gonna start there and see where it goes. So we start running it along here. Contour my eye bag, you know, the usual. I just feel like my under eye eyeshadow performs so much better when I do it over a concealer. Okay, now I'm going to take a little bit of credit in the outer portion and blend it into that wing and the upper lid eyeshadow. Yeah, dude, look at that. Look at that. That is awesome. And on the inner part, I'm going to take Soleil, just right here. I love putting like a highlight shade right there. And I'm gonna take a little bit more edges and just kind of bring it under here. Just below the, oops, that was a lot. Just build up, create a little more. Now I am gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face and just put on some mascara and finished up the face. I haven't done my highlight or anything yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the finished eye before I zoom the camera out and all that. I'm trying out a new mascara today. I use the It Cosmetics Superhero mascara and so far so good. I think I like it. So to finish off this eye look, I think I am gonna put something on the inner corner, like the very inner corner. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of Trust Issues. And tell you what I'm gonna do is dampen my brush because it's kind of a chunky shimmer. Right, I'm just gonna take this on a little damp brush, just dibble dabble in there. I'm gonna pop it right on this inner corner. Ooh, hell yeah, that looks awesome. Yes, that's what this look needed. Yes. Girl, look at that. This is the eye complete. I kind of love this look so much. You guys know how I feel about red and warm tone eyeshadows like this anyway, so this is just kind of right up my alley, like all around my kind of look. But you know what I want to do? I think it's a finishing touch. I just want to take a little bit more of edges, knock off the excess, and just kind of bring it around right here. So like I just need a little more of this color in there. I don't know why. Just being extra. Basically me always with this with eyeshadow is just put as much eyeshadow on as I possibly can. Okay, let me go ahead and zoom you guys out and we'll finish up the face now. Okay, let's get this face finished up. Hey, I'm a ghost. Alright, I've got my Dana Scully hair today and I like it. Curl under like the rest. This one side wants to flip out and the other side wants to flip under like perfectly, but they don't want to do the same thing. Anyway, let's finish up the face and stop rambling. I didn't get out any of my makeup that I need. Alright, I'm gonna start with highlighter. I think I'm gonna use Wet n Wild. I'm So Lit. Isn't that the most creative shade name ever? I'm gonna use this to highlight. I think, how many like highlighters out there have the name Lit or have the word lit in it? Like, I think there's one just called Lit from Tarte that I think I like. I can't remember. Yeah, I think I like it. But yeah, this one's Wet n Wild, which I like even better. This is one of their loosey-goosey highlighters. I'm gonna do it first before I do my blush. It could be a glowy vampire. You know, even before Twilight, I like the idea that vampires would be luminous skinned. Because I think Anne Rice did hint at that. Like when she would describe Akasha's skin having that golden sheen to it. So, suck it, Stephanie Meyer. Not that I hate... Yeah, I do. I don't like Twilight. I don't hate it, but I don't like it either. I liked the way the movies were filmed. I just did not like the story. It was just such a teenager story. I didn't like Bella's perspective, let's put it that way. But I enjoyed like the cinematography in the movies, like the color of everything and seeing the pretty forest and stuff. Like the scenery was beautiful, the sets were great. It just also didn't really enjoy 50 Shades of Grey at all. I was like, lame. I've seen better. I've read better books. S&M in them. Anyway. Anyway. Blush. I know what blush I want to use. I want to use Luminoso. I think Luminoso would be perfect with this look. Oh, that's right. Now I don't look as dead. I mean, not that I mind looking dead. It's part of my style these days. I just lean into it. So I can't help it. I love blush on the end of the nose. I don't know why. Like, I don't think it's necessarily like a good, like a flattering thing, but there's just something about this really pretty to me. I love it. It's kind of a doll-like lips, which I've already pulled. I don't have a lip liner that matches the lippy that I want to wear. So I want to wear a combination of Paradise Lost from CoverGirl and the Melted Pout Melting Pout Matte. Melting, not melted. I think I've called them melted like all this time. CoverGirl's like, you fucking bitch, get her name right. And I want to pair it with Maybelline. My label came off. I think this is Coffee Addiction. It's like a reddy brown. I'm just gonna use Auburn from MAC just to lightly get my line in and overdraw the ever-living shit out of my lips. There's background noise in this video. I don't know what the hell that is, but people are being noisy as outside. It sounds like machinery. I was trying so hard to get this over my head without messing my brows up and my face, because this neck doesn't really stretch, and I'm trying to get my big head through it. I'm like, ugh. You see how much my foundation oxidizes on my neck? That's so frustrating. I don't know if it shows on camera, but I can see it in person, and it is driving me absolutely nuts. While I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to use some setting spray. I'm just going to take a little bit of my L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Mist. This is a Loaded Bolds from Maybelline. I think it's Loaded Bolds Matte. These are very like silicone-y feeling lipsticks, like they're odd texture. So yeah, this is the look complete, I believe. Yeah, I think we are done. Totally done now. I like this look, came out really nice, and I kind of love it. I really love it. Like, I love this fiery red shade in the Jackie palette, and that gold on the center. Good God. I think honestly this may be my favorite ABH palette. Like, this may be the number one. I always said Modern Renaissance was my number one, then Subculture number two. But this might be my number one. Anyway, yep, I thought it would look cool with this dark kind of brick chocolatey brown lip, and yeah, I like it. Anyway, I hope you enjoy following along with me and seeing how I got this look. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. What should we comment? I don't know, comment wherever you want. Just say hi down in the comments. I don't really have a specific question today. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay spooky. Bye now.